If you want to find out how to get this laid look from Karlami Hair, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but yeah, that she just yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. We know where you want and need.
Alright guys, hey again. So this review is going to be from Karlami Hair, and as you can see, they gave me a melting band and this is the hair. I'm really excited to try this on, and yes, I have on braids under this, but don't worry, we can still put braids. Well, I always have braids under, but this is actually like extension braids, but don't worry, it's gonna look nice and laid. Look at that hair, you guys. Like, look at the knots. I love it when hair comes like this because I don't have to do much work, and inside there are 3 combs. So I'm just gonna try it on so that you guys can see. Wow, look at those curls, beautiful. But yeah, I'm just gonna try it on right off the bat so you guys can see exactly how it's going to look like when you get it right outside of the box. So this is how it looks. I am so excited because I don't need to bleach the knots. I don't need to pluck anything. Like, I love it when wig companies do this for us. They make it so much easier. So I'm showing you guys the hair. It's absolutely gorgeous, but I'm going to change the color of my top because you guys can't really see it properly. Okay, so I changed the color of my top so you guys can see the hair and how beautiful it looks. So now I'm going to take off the wig and I'm going to make sure that the lace matches my skin tone. And as you guys know, how I do this is I take my bronzer and a flat brush and I just put that all over the hairline.
First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you.
Alright, so when I'm done doing that, I'm going to put it back on my head so you guys can see that you know, like, this is the best way to make it match your skin tone. And as I'm putting it on, you can definitely tell that the hairline blends in much more with my skin tone. This is a before and after to show you guys how necessary this step is, unless you want like white lace or something, and no one really wants that. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to cut the lace from on my head. I usually cut it while it's off, but I'm going to cut it in sections on my head, and then I'm just gonna cut the lace this way. And you can adjust the lace to where your ears are and all of that. And if you're not comfortable doing this step on your head, I definitely recommend taking it off your head so that you don't cut yourself or anything like that. So now that I did that, I'm going to take my Got2b spray and I'm gonna do a glueless method. So I'm not gluing this on, I'm just spraying this. It's like a spritz, I guess. I'm spraying it on so that I can also take this off like whenever I want. But yeah, we're doing a glueless method today. And when I adjust it to my head, I let it get a little bit tacky, and then I'm going to use the melting band that they provided, and I'm just going to put it on my head, and I'm gonna make sure that it's nice and tight, and I'm gonna leave it for about like, I would say 15 minutes. I usually leave it for. But what I do also is, as I tie it down and as it's melting on my head, I also style the hair.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
So as you can see, I decided to do a side part, and this is one look. Okay, so basically this is how the hair looks. I didn't put anything in it. Oh, and I'm doing the shedding test, and it barely sheds, you guys, just few strands, which is really good for curly hair. But anyways, this is a side part look. If you want the curls to be a little bit more defined, then I'm taking some mousse and I'm going to put a good amount in my hand, and I'm just gonna put it all over that side part. And also, it's gonna give you an idea of how the hair looks like when it's wet too. And you guys, this wig is beautiful. Look at the curls, so nice. And I'm gonna put some mousse on the other side of my head also.
I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. got the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that.
So I took off the melting band and I'm just adjusting a little bit where it needs to be adjusted, and I'm going to do some baby hairs. So what I do with this type of wig, I'll just take a small section and then I'll cut it with my eyebrow scraper, and then I put some mousse, and as you can see, as I put the mousse, like look how nice and curly it is. But anyways, I just kind of swoop it down like this and it does a really cute baby hair. And then I'm just gonna play with it a little bit more and swoop it down until I'm satisfied of how it looks. And then what I'm gonna do also is I'm just gonna go in with my bronzer a little bit more, so that when I put back the melting band, it really, you know, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. And what I like to do also now is just take a tiny bit of baby hairs from the front, as you can see, like just a few strands. I put mousse and then I just put it down like that. And now I'm going to take my melting band and put it back on for about another 10 to 15 minutes so that the mousse can just dry and it could be more secure on my head. Alright, and after 10 to 15 minutes, I take it off, and this is the final look, you guys. Like, I am in love with this wig. This wig is so pretty. The curls are so nice. I love how nice and dark the hair is. Look how nicely it just blends in with my skin. Like, this is definitely melted. I am very satisfied, and I definitely recommend this wig. This was my first time hearing about the company, but I definitely vouch for it with the hair that they sent me. So yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below or reach out to me on Instagram at Sasky. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.
Why you tryna fight just